I'm gonna have to get out and walk it real quick. There's a tree down right here. I could probably winch that out of the way. I see a freaking campfire out here. What is going on? Yeah, let's see. Oh shoot. Only front wheel driving this thing. Oh yeah.
How deep is that?
It ain't shit.
What's up, dude?
What's going on, buddy?
Long time no see. How you been, dude?
Should have took the water trail.
Yeah, you know, I wasn't quite sure, but
Not bad. No, it ain't nothing.
The water trail.
they were
the
saying
way I
it's
went
deep.
through, yeah.
Like,
I don't got no.
No, it
I'm
ain't
on
deep.
27.
okay, all right.
Just take her.
Where's
easy.
the Jeep at?
But this
Right
one
over
come
here,
up
across
right
this
here.
way.
Is this?
Yeah, I drowned in my creek, bro.
This ain't too bad. Nah, this ain't bad at all.
Hey, 12K winch already worked fucking one time.
You got the party out here, huh?
Yeah, now it is.
How long you been stuck? Oh boy. All
It's
right.
like 2 hours.
We done ate some steak.
All right. There she is, huh? Man, it would be nice if I can get around that way, but
You can. I went around that way.
if I could get in over here and just pull it out backwards.
You gotta go around the wide way.
I know.
Hey, I went to snatch him before he could get this in reverse, and I went to snatch him and I fucking popped him good.
Yeah.
I feel like he could come out in reverse, forward, it don't matter.
All right, guys.
I'll be safe. Dude, ain't no fucking
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it, man.
What's up, brother?
How are you, sir?
Good,
Yeah,
good.
he was the Jeep that was out there because there was a red Jeep
All
out
right.
there.
Hey, where's the best way to get out of here? That way?
That's what I was. I mean, the trail we just came in isn't that bad, but
That way, the best way to get out of here?
Yeah.
I take.
well, not too bad. Oh man. Dang. We're out here in the swamps, dude.
Dude,
I mean, it looks like it'll go.
Snorkel works really well.
All right, screw it. We'll try it, dude.
That's how easy. That's how it's kind of easier to hit
Yeah.
that water strip, but that's up to you.
Yeah. I'll get into it real quick and see. I think I can make it over here.
You're looking for a real difficult one. Here it is.
Air tree saver, snatch block D-ring, and then run the winch line out. Just freeze pull that thing, drag it up there, would you? All right. He's a good boy right here. He's a good boy. You stay though. We'll get you out later.
Because of that pops up.
All right, now perfect example of a snatch block. We ran our line out, jumped off of this tree. I'll show you, and then just redirected it right there, just like that. So we come out of the Jeep here, jump it around the block, straight to the back of his. All right, hang tight.
All right, hold on. You got to chop off on the back. Yeah. How's this? Hey, that shit working though. He's already moved like 3 feet. Go ahead, go.
No Honda neither.
Thanks, brother. I appreciate you, man.
Absolutely.
I can do the same thing with my Honda.
Cool.
I can do the same thing with my
Perfect. Thanks, man.
I got my Chevy Blazer, but same thing.
Yeah, I could probably, well, maybe.
Turn around, you have to get out good. It's backing up to go be.
Yeah,
Because if you back up a little bit, come up the hill, boom.
I could probably get around it.
Come up again, back up here, boom, and you can.
Hey, it ain't blowed up yet.
no, but I
You think?
Snorkel works though.
Where you going, home?
Probably here in a little bit. That's your boat too, right?
Yeah. I just pulled cars out of the ocean with this thing too. It was in a lot of salt water. Last time I used this thing, it was in the waves in the salt water pulling a car out.
I watched that.
Is that pinched
Did
up?
you put that on YouTube?
Yeah, dude.
I watched that.
I actually probably need to replace this line soon. It's get she like passed out and just drove in.
But you can honestly ride that whole water trail back. You won't even
Yeah.
over your tires.
Yeah, it's just a little tight turns in there. Yeah. This wasn't, right up to that point wasn't bad. This is the worst part. Yeah. That's just a straight road in and out, dude.
She passed out behind the wheel of the car?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I had like a seizure or something and just idled into the water. Yeah, she was fine when I got there. Let's see. Good boy. He's a good boy. Yeah, can one of you guys throw it on this side for me? Here. It was funny, it didn't even drag me in now once I was back here. I just need to get back on hard ground.
I ain't got it back out. We're going back to the
Hey,
Wait, go.
you leave it.
Come here. Go.
You stay. You stay. All right. You think you're good from here?
No, we got
No,
out.
it's out.
Yeah, we're
It's
good.
out. Yeah, it's out.
Man, it is tight in here. Trying to get this out. And I'm like touching this side, riding it out as much as I can. Hope the back slides over a little bit. How did I get in here? I don't even know. Oh my God. Rubbing all over this thing. All right, well, that's a wrap. We got in and out. Had to finagle the Jeep around some of those tight turns, but we made it happen. And I don't know if you noticed, got a new road dog back here. He's actually just a foster, and he's up for adoption. If anybody's interested in the Tampa or Florida area, shoot me an email. I'll get you in touch. His name is Pumbaa, huh, dude? Huh, Pumbaa. Big dog. There he is. Yeah, I think it's his first four-wheeling trip. He's not sure what to think. But if you made it this far in the video, we appreciate you watching, sticking around to the end. You know, all that type of stuff helps the algorithm, helps the channel do better. We don't charge for any of these recoveries. We do it for free. If you want to do it for free, join your local 4x4 rescue group. We have a Facebook page or actually a Facebook group for every single state. Search your state name with 4x4 rescue at the end. And then, you know, I think it goes without being said, but support those who support you. Rhino makes over 150 products. Kinetic rope, shackles, snatch blocks, winch lines, ratchet straps, camping stuff, towing stuff, everything. We're on Amazon and we got a website, rhinousainc.com. Use my discount code 4x4rescue. And yeah, don't forget, lastly, I know it's a lot to say at the end of these videos, but we give away a power box about once a month. It's a little over a $250 value. It's got a kinetic rope, soft shackle, hard shackle, shovel, tire gauge. It's like a whole kit, you know, the main thing being the kinetic rope. If you want to be entered to win that, again, we give one away almost once a month. Just drop a comment on any of my videos. You don't have to buy anything. You don't have to purchase anything. Just drop a comment. Make sure that you are a subscriber and a U.S. resident. And then once a month, I just pick a random comment. And that's it. Somebody gets lucky. But I will see you guys next week. Probably Tuesday or Wednesday. That's about our average posting schedule. Thanks again, guys.